Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. In this tutorial, I will show how to create mini content sections in the main content section using HTML and CSS. In my previous tutorial, I have created a pixel layout with header, navigation bar, main, sidebar, and footer sections. In this, I want to add mini content panels to add multiple topics. Come to HTML and in the main for creating mini content panels, please type div space id equal to box and please add closing tag for div, and in the box I want to add few data. After this I want to add CSS to this mini content panel. So come to CSS and please type open curly braces, and here I want to use background color white, border 2 pixel solid, black color, border radius 0.5 em, font size 95%. Font will be little bit smaller than rest of the web page, and after that padding 10 pixel and margin 20 pixel, and here I want to mention width to 38 pixel. Close the curly braces, and sorry, this is 2 pixel, and save the CSS and come to HTML, save this. After that come to web page, reload it. We got the text in the mini content panel with padding and margin. Now I want to add a image into this. For this come to HTML and in the box please type p space class equal to text anchor space target equal to space href equal to. If you want to add a link in the web page, we can enter here, and after that please add image space source and the image name router dot jpg. Sorry, this is router 1 space alt equal to. Close this and close the anchor, and after that close the paragraph. Save the HTML, come to web page, reload it. Sorry, image name is tp-link1 tp-link1.jpg. Now save the HTML, come to web page, reload. We got a image in the mini content panel, and when we over the mouse it is showing a hand symbol. Now I want to center this image. Come to CSS and please type dot text open curly braces display. I'm selecting block and text align center, close curly braces, save the CSS, come to web page, reload it, and we got the image centered in the mini content section. Like this we can create mini content section in the main content section using HTML and CSS. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.